We can also choose permission and add authentication for this. Now let's add group name care and cure. Okay, and filter can log entry, choosing permissions, can delete group, we can do this, can add permissions, we can select it and move it for this side, and we can also do move, choose all also, choose all and it goes there, or remove all. Now let's put this only, admin login can delete. Okay, this, and now let's save this and save and add another. It's already set or successfully created. Alright, and here group below, and now let's go towards the home, and this is care and care group that I have recently created, and as we had created it before. Now let's move toward the database and find it here. Permissions, we can find here permissions, group permissions, what can a group do here, and group ID, permission ID is given here, authentication group is also given here, abc, admin, cure and cure, good do. Care and cure is the group that I have recently created. And now let's, and this is the contact that I have done before. It was I like Care and Cure. It was done by Pooja Neupane. P. Nirlaksh was email address. I have done it. I have recently filled it form and submitted it, so that seen it. And this is my database, and I have, and it is here. It is inserted in the database, and patient list also it is here. It's given here. Patient list also given here. We can also delete it from here too. The one we register at the register page is saved here too. And this is all about the database that I have created. And now let's move to the code part. And this is my main page. This is my main HTML page, or index.html for my website. And these all are about us page, contact page, doctor, patient dashboard. The data that patient enter goes into the moves into the patient dashboard, and services and sign up form for this is all front end part. And these are the front end parts of static. This is also CSS bootstrap. It's all over here. CSS bootstraps. Images is also here first for our website for front end part. And now let's move towards the backend code. Backend code, it is over here, urls.py. We can find backend code over here, and views.py. This is also a backend code, and models.py. This is also backend code, and admin.py. This is also for creating super user admin. As I have created super user admin, this is for it to import from model to the super user admin. I have done this, and this is all about backend part and frontend part. Now let's look toward the responsive. Is my website responsive or not? Now let's go towards it and see it. View side, let's do view side, and Control Shift I. Okay, my page is also it's responsive here. As you can see here, it's responsive. You can find it. It is responsive here. Here too. You can see here it's responsive. Now let's go to our next page, about us page, services page, doctors page. Here it's responsive, and contact us page, send us a message. So this, my overall website is responsive too in any resolutions. Let's close this. Let's move again. And this is all that I have created as my assignment, and this is all.